Alrighty guys, now we're going to go ahead and set up our brand new Bitkey. So the first thing we're going to do here is use the QR code in order to download the Bitkey app. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the camera app on my phone and we're going to see where this brings us. That's going to redirect us over here to the App Store and we can see we have the Bitkey Bitcoin wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and set this card aside now since we no longer need it. And I'm going to click on the Get button and we're going to install this app. From here, we're just going to click on the Open button. So on this screen, it says Own Your Bitcoin, Bitcoin ownership that's easy to use and hard to lose. I like that slogan. It definitely makes sense here for the product. And from here, we can either set up a new wallet or we can click here for more options. But for now, we're going to click here on Set Up a New Wallet. Now it says wake your Bitkey device. Touch the fingerprint reader until you see a white light. If your device doesn't turn on, charge your device and try again. So at this point now we're going to take off the plastic wrap and we're going to wake up the Bitkey. Okay, so I touched it and a white flashing light appeared immediately, so I didn't need to charge mine. So we're going to click here on continue. And now it's asking us to pair your Bitkey device. Activate your phone's NFC reader with the button below, then hold your Bitkey to the back of your phone. So we're going to click on pair Bitkey device. And it says ready to scan, hold your device to the back of your phone. So we're going to do exactly that. We'll see if I need to take the case off potentially. And at this point with it off, it actually scanned it without even needing to be right upon it. So the key here definitely seems to be take your phone out of the case. Okay, so we got a success button there and now it says set up your first fingerprint. Place your finger on the sensor until you see a blue light. Lift your finger and repeat 15 to 20 times, adjusting your finger position slightly each time until the light turns green, then save your fingerprint. So guys, keep in mind here that this fingerprint step right here is to ensure that you and only you can access this hardware. So this is part of what makes this so special. So we're now going to start doing that here with this, and I can see the blue, and we're going to do this 15 or 20 times until the light turns green. So we have our green light. I think it took me about maybe 12 or 13 tries, maybe not the full 15. We're going to click on save fingerprint, and now it says ready to scan, hold the device to the back of your phone. And then it says success. We're now going to click on the backup button at the bottom and it says loading. And now we have to set up our critical alerts. This is going to be important for the recovery step because we're going to be receiving these alerts. And if somebody was trying to fraudulently activate a new device under your account, you would want to be receiving these notifications. So this is where you're going to put your best email and SMS and also set up push notifications. So I'm going to go ahead and complete those steps. At that point, we went ahead and set up our communication methods. Now we can set up notifications and updates. So if you want to get notified when you receive transactions, you can toggle that on above. And if you want to receive Bitkey updates, you can decide about that below. And then we're going to agree to the terms of service and privacy notice. You're going to want to take a look at these yourself. And then we're going to click here on continue. And just like that, guys, we have set up our Bitkey wallet from scratch.